All right, guys. Good morning. Interesting day in the market. I did take a trade based on, man, gotta love Severn, dude. Based on this predetermined boxes, I really, really, really love this. It's really a feature. I am a member of the Chart Champs community, and when it was there, they really push the fact on how to trade at these predetermined boxes, right? And they provide these templates, and you can make these templates, but I mean, you just come on and all the levels are there. So today I was trading the ES Mini, um, and I gotta say that transitioning out of crypto into, excuse me, into futures is really just, it's really quite amazing. It can move fast. As you can see here, I just determined this area was a little area that I wanted to trade. Here was that area. I took a momentum trade. And I mean, it was just like a little micro move, right? Just, I mean, a micro move. And that move came up. It was 287 bucks. Right now, I'm just trading just $1,000 account. As you can see here, I took a little $50 loss, just kind of getting acquainted. But I really, really love it because when you trade on Atos and you connect your futures account, everything is set up. You can trade your stop loss, you can have your TPs, your stop loss. So your strategy is in place. And if you're really working on your statistics, then man, it's just such a peaceful feeling knowing that you can have your wins and your losses already determined. You know exactly how much. And that's when I was trading crypto, when I was trading Bitcoin, I was really just shooting the dice every trade. So, yeah, if you guys are planning on transitioning out of crypto, right? It's going to be a big transition, right? You're going to get used to having to know which contract to trade on. You know, the minis and the micros and the contracts, they trade at 50 times the nominal price. So a small move can really be either a huge win or a huge loss. But when you just really have this take profit and stop loss strategy, and you have a good statistical strategy approach, and you really are looking at predetermined levels, like here was my predetermined level today. I waited patiently for it. It's 741. Yeah, it's just a beautiful thing. We're in the Discord, just trading live, answering questions, right? So if any of you guys really thinking about taking the transition, or you have any questions, or you just want to hang out, just hit me up, get on in there, and yeah, it was a good day. It was a $287 win, right? And so for the rest of the day, I think I'm just going to kick back and I'm just going to watch and learn. But I mean, that was, in the first hour, I did take a trade accidentally. I was just kind of playing around with these settings and I fat fingered it. And so I took a trade. But yeah, so you're going to see a lot more of that on this channel, a lot more of going through the stock market. And here we come here. NQ's coming up on a daily level. We'll see how that plays out. Maybe I might take another trade. NQ, ES, right? Everything's taking a little bit of a turn backwards. We saw that massive spike upwards. We are coming up to the single prints where we'll find some support. The NQ is coming up on some high time frame support. I will be marking that out. And we'll just see how that goes. Bitcoin did SFP the high, and now we have gained acceptance into the single print. I did not take the short here. It was a valid short. And now we are, so right now we are kind of SFPing into the single print. So we'll see how that goes. If we get acceptance into the single print, I would say that we would make the full rotation. If you guys haven't been tuned to the channel, I've absolutely been fucking murdering it, calling every single pivot on Bitcoin. Here we go. Look at this. Let's see. Here's my last few trades, right? As you can see, I nailed the short and then flipped it right into the long. And then the long, it hit the weekly target. I was looking for a short around this area. we kept on going up. We tapped that weekly. There was some confluence here. But yeah, so I'm absolutely murdering it, but I'm much more interested in trading the EQ and the N or the ES and NQ. So yeah, guys, happy to take that transition with you guys live here. Um, and we'll just keep on pumping. All right, be safe out there.